Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. In this one I'm going to show you how I play the epic sax guy riff from Runaway by Sunstroke Project on alto saxophone. It's going to sound something like this. I'll play it again slowly, and notes will appear on the screen. Notes in parentheses will be ones I use the octave key on. Here we go. Now on that last line, I played B, C sharp, and I used the D key to play that D note, then back to B. So that makes it easier to play that melody. Once again. And then we'll repeat. Well, my friends, that's how I play the epic sax guy riff on alto saxophone. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.